PQ is parallel to CD. This is the line PQ. Here this is the mirror. यहाँ मिरर है बच्चों, और मिरर में रिफ्लेक्शन होता है। आप जानते हैं लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन में कि एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस दिस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। ठीक है, यहां पर सेम सिचुएशन है, ये एंगल ऑफ ये इंसिडेंट रे है, this is the reflected ray, and this angle is equal to this angle. Suppose this angle is 1 and this is 2, so 1 will be same as 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. ठीक है, now these two lines are perpendicular to this line PQ and RS. PQ and RS are already parallel, so perpendicular to the parallel lines are again parallel. These two lines are parallel, and this line is perpendicular, so these two lines will also be parallel. That's why this angle 2 will be equal to angle 3, angle between the Z shape, that is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, this angle 2 will be same as 3. Now again, this is the incident ray, BC is incident ray, and this is the reflected ray. So angle of incidence will be same as angle of reflection. Therefore, this angle 4 will also be equal to 3. Now all the angles are equal. 1 is same as 2, 2 is same as 3, 3 is same as 4. So 1 plus 2 is same as 3 plus 4. Okay? It means this total angle is same as this total angle. Again, this is the alternate interior angle. Since alternate interior angles are equal, therefore these two lines will be parallel, which is to be proved. Okay, let us write this. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1, what is the cause? Cause is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, right? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Again, angle 2 is same as angle 3. What is the cause of this? Can you tell me? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Again, angle 3 is same as angle 4. Angle 3 is same as angle 4. Again, the region is same. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. ठीक है? Same region. As in first case. So angle 3 is angle equal to same as angle 4. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. So all the 4 angles are equal. All the 4 angles are equal. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. That is ABC. Angle ABC is same as angle BCD. That is alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD, which is to be proved.